If you want to know about edible skincare, keep watching. Let's taste this taste test of rose water. Okay. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nile Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me 5 products from the brand Snana, and these 5 products are a part of a skincare kit. So let's get started. Before talking about the products, I would like to talk a little about this brand Snana. Snana is an Indian brand. The products of this brand are 100% chemical and preservative free. The products are customized according to your age and skin type and texture. So these products, they suit almost everyone. And the most important thing is the products are made with edible ingredients. This brand has their own distillery to make oils, essential oils, and herb water like rose, lavender, vetiver. The ingredients used in this brand are 100% natural, and also the best thing is that they have roped in the farmers across the world to source pure natural ingredients. They do not use plastic at all. Even the products which I'll be showing you today, they don't have plastic. The cartons, the packaging is made out of glass, and also they use wooden pieces as soap cases and all. They do not use plastic at all, which is really a very good initiative. This brand Snana has skincare, wellness and healthcare under one roof. So that was a lot of tarif. Okay, so now let's talk about this kit. As I told you, this kit has 5 products, and these are the 5 products. So everything is in glass bottles, so you have to be very careful also. In case you want to just see the demo of these products, you can click on this timestamp, or you can see the video and you can know what ingredients and all this has. Okay, so now let's come back to the point. So this kit has a goat milk soap for hair and body. This is a rose mist, a face cream for dry skin, powdered cleanser for dry skin, and Kashmiri lavender essential oil. So these are the 5 products you'll be getting in the kit. So let's talk about this one by one. So this is the Snana goat milk soap, and this is basically for dry and sensitive skin. This will keep your skin healthy and moisturized. This prevents premature aging, and also this repairs damaged skin. Okay, this has castor oil, this has cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter. So this has a lot of good ingredients. This has rose oil, this has so many. This smells very Ayurvedic. Like, the smell is not very nice and very pleasant kind of a fragrance. The fragrance is very natural, and I think naturally made ingredients should smell like this. They should not have that artificial strong kind of a fragrance. So this is the second product, and this is the rose water, and this is steam distilled, and you can this is edible. You can inhale this, and also you can apply this. So basically toners help in settling down your pores, and also this makes your skin very nice and fresh, and also this helps in giving your skin that even toned complexion. Apart from rose, they also have marigold and vetiver mist, which also has its own benefits. Okay, so you have to spray this on your face in the morning and at night for best results. And as this is edible, I'll just tell you how this tastes. Halanki, this is very scary, but koi baat nahi, it's okay. So yeah, this tastes like rose water. This has a very nice subtle kind of a rose taste. It's not at all bitter. It has a very good taste. Spread across my face. Now let's talk about this third product, and this is the Snana Kokum Vetiver Face Cream. So this is for people who are having extremely dry skin, and if you have oily skin, you can just reduce the quantity of application. But yes, this is very good for skin. This has vetiver. Vetiver helps in evening out your skin tone, and also this helps in moisturizing your skin tone. Kokum is known to give your skin that brightening effect, so that is also very good. This has beeswax, this has jojoba oil, this has hemp seed oil, rosehip oil, and other essential oils. So this is how the cream looks like. Now this is the fourth product, and this is the Snana powdered face cleanser. Basically this is a powdered face cleanser, which means you have to take a little powder in your hand and then you add some water and apply it on your face like you apply a liquid soap, and then wash it off. So again, a very Ayurvedic smell. Don't smell it very close to your nose. This has mulethi, this has anant mool, shikakai rita, essential oils, palm rose, and juniper berry. You have to use this twice a day. This will be very gentle for your skin. As I told you, these all are for skin care. So these will be very gentle on your skin. So you can definitely give this a shot. This is the last product, and this is the Kashmiri lavender essential oil. You know, lavender essential oil is very good, especially if you have headaches. Like if you have that migraine kind of headaches, lavender oil is very good. You can just take a little oil and apply it on your forehead, or you can inhale some oil. Oh, this has such a nice lavender fragrance. It's so pure, like very pure fragrance. You can also take a little lavender oil on your palms and just rub it on your face, to get rid of fine lines and everything. So that was it. These were the 5 products from the brand Snana. I would advise you to give this a try and just see for yourself how much good this does to your skin. I have been using these products since I think 4 days and I loved it. Everything was good. My skin is very dry, so my skin felt really soft and very nice. I in the current weather, I apply a moisturizer after, you know, washing my face. I apply a moisturizer, but after using these products I didn't feel like applying a moisturizer. My skin was already very nice and moisturized, and I have always said I have dry skin, so it's very good for people with dry skin, people with, you know, patchy red dry skin. It's very good for them. So I would advise you to give this a try. It's personally tried and tested. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you all.